Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a request smuggling lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. It is exploiting HTTP request smuggling to capture other users' requests. Front end, back end. Front end doesn't support chunked encoding. Smuggler requests to the backend server that causes the next user's request to be stored in the application. Retrieve the next user request and the user's cookies to access their account. Every few post requests, the victim will make their own request. You may need to attack a few times to ensure that the victim's request occurs as required. Ooh, interesting. That's going to make it tough. Okay. And then we need to log in. This is going to be a good one. It's going to be a challenge to write up in Python, but sounds good. Okay, so let's open the lab. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. So we're going to use CLTE, right? Request smuggling. And our smuggled request, we need to save. And I'm sure, yeah, it's going to be right here. So our smuggled request is going to leave a comment from the user, and the comment body needs to have the user's headers so that we can then extract the session token from the victim and log in as them. So we need, let's blah. Do we need, we're not going to do, we'll do blah@blah.com. We probably need an email. Let's try it without, see if, yeah, it's required. Okay. So I'm doing this example so that I know what it looks like, right? That got submitted. Let's go and, oh crap. Dumb. Let's do another one. And I wonder if that is our victim. blah@blah.com. Okay. We should have an example now. Proxy, HTTP history. We have a post comment. So let's send this to repeater. And think about what we want. So we want CLTE with this stuff, but we need to update the CSRF token to one that's valid before we do the request smuggling. This is the request we want to smuggle. We're going to take off all of this, right? And then we're going to update this, and comment is where we want their stuff to be. So I'm going to control X this and put it at the end. All right. Now we need to create another request. Let's go to our cheat sheet. Let's go here. So doesn't matter where this goes. I don't think so. So we can just post to, we can just post and then put a 0. Yeah, so let's do this. Copy. We're going to post to the home page. We're going to do this host. 0. We need the content type here. Content type application /x www-encoding. I don't know if that's right. Let's look at the one we did yesterday, which is this one. Content type URL. I probably didn't get that. Come on. All right. And then we also need to add a content length. Content length. And it needs to be big enough to cover all of that. So let's do like 250. Let's try 250. So let's review this. Oh, this needs a content length. And this will be updated automatically. So I'll just put that. And it needs a transfer encoding. What do I put there? I totally spaced what I normally put there. That's in utils. Quest smuggling transfer chunked. Dang it. Sorry. Chunked. Okay. This will smuggle everything to the, and then the back end will read chunked in there. Hold this in the buffer until the next request comes, which should include the users, which should be the users one, which gets appended here. And that's going to post a comment, post ID. We can use this one for now. And then when we do it in the for real, we'll change that. And we'll change the name, use that random stuff so we know which one to grab. Yeah, I think this may work. We don't need a chaser because the victim will be our chaser. Let's try it. Oh, we should get this. Send to repeater. Where's that? There we go. 1. Let's send. Invalid request. So we don't have it yet. Send 1 again. Oh, dang it. Okay, that's right. We need a valid CSRF token. Inspector, we want to inspect this, and we want this one. It looks like the exact same. Invalid CS session does not. Oh, I need my session also. So whoops, I need to go here to repeater. And here I'm gonna put it's just sometimes I forget the dumbest things. It's like cookie, yeah. This is what uh whatever. Okay. We're just gonna send this a couple of times. And then we'll send this. Doesn't look like we've got it yet. So are we doing something wrong here? Transfer encoding chunked in there. Post comment. This may be too long. Let's try this. It needs to be, it needs to be this plus the other thing. I have my 49158. Let's go to local host 49158. And then let's copy this. Go here. 96. So 144 should be fine. That'll at least get something. I'm worried that we're getting so many invalid. So host, oh, we need the session here. Gosh dang it. I don't know if we actually need it here. I don't think we do. I think we just need it here. Okay. This time it should work. Let's send this one. Woo! It started work, but we don't have enough yet. So that's awesome. Let's go to 200. And it said it wouldn't do it every time. Didn't do it that time. Oh, wait, it did. We're getting there. 200. So we need probably another, I don't know. Let's do, see, I was right with 250. That was a good guess. Okay. This is pretty cool. Boom. There's the session of me. Damn it. So I need to give them, I got my own session cookie. Well, at least we know it works. And I wonder if I had to update the CSRF. Where am I? Right here. No, that's me. Wait a second. Let's send like 5 in a row. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay. Now, we better have captured somebody else's cookie. What do we got? This is mine, right? We didn't. No, we're not. Am I doing something wrong? I don't see the victim posting anything. This is get one. Post. These are mine. It's capturing my next post. I wonder if I should. Let's keep going. Let's send these to. I want to give it a second. So I'm going to send this. Give it a heartbeat. Send this twice. We didn't get any errors on that one. I think this is ups. This is them. How would I know? Oh, because my gets are this. Their gets are to the home page. That is theirs, but it's not long enough. 250 was a bad guess. Okay. Send it. Wait till it comes back. Wait a heartbeat. Send this. If we get something other than 200, it didn't work, right? So we should send it again until we get a 200 response. Go back here, send it. Go here, wait a heartbeat, send it. If we get 200, check to see what got posted. All right. Send it. Heartbeat. Send. 200. Go here. Look, Apple WebKit. This is definitely them. Victim. I just still don't have enough to get it. So we're on the right track though. 50. And our procedure is working. Heartbeat, send, 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 one, send, heartbeat, two, send. Looks like they're doing it every 3. There we go. Still no cookie. The victim. So we still need like, I don't know, maybe 100 more. See, and I was so excited about guessing it right, and I got totally wrong. Send, 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 send. And this is how we'll do the same procedures, how we'll do it in code. We'll send the chaser, test for 200. If we don't get it, we'll repeat the attack until the chaser gets a 200 response. Still not there. Gosh, dang it. Let's do another 100. Why not? Be rude not to. I don't think I had to wait a heartbeat. Send. Send. Yeah, it seems to be every third. So on this one. Yep. I don't see a session token there yet. Okay, well, crap. Let's do another 100. Boom, 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 boom. And this one. 200. Cookie. We are so close. So we better just do another 100 just to make sure that we get it. Boom. 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 You know what I could do? Well, whatever. All right. Let's see it this time. Cookie. Victim dash. Fingerprint equals boom. Session secret. Session. So we almost got it. 8. See, this is gonna screw us because our request is so large. It's larger than this one. So this isn't clearing it out. It's just timing it out. That kind of sucks, but it should still work. This one we should get a 200 when we go here. And then here, no. So maybe I need to drop this down. What's the most likely? So this is probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It's most likely 31 more characters. So let's go back here to 750 plus 31 is 780. So let's do like 782. And then here, how do we get this one? We can put stuff in the body so that this content length, which I don't even see. Okay. Content length 431. Oh, we get a forbidden. Does that matter though? Well, um, let's do foo. I don't know if what I'm doing is smart or really, really dumb. Could be either. Definitely willing to accept that somewhere in the middle. Why isn't the site responding? What? Come on. We are so freaking close. Let's cancel this. Let's undo what I just did because it does not like it. So 782. I have no idea where we're at in the series. Our chaser isn't doing a good job of chasing because this is not long enough. Okay. This one should be it. Come on. Session. Oh, we don't have a single quote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It probably is the next character. So let's do it one more time. Just to make sure, we'll do content length 783. And then we'll send that, have this one timeout. Unless, of course, the foo starts working again. Foo. And all I'm trying to do is pad up this request so that when it gets, when it gets smuggled, foo, it doesn't have to time out. But why does it time out here with foo in all these A's? I don't understand that one. Okay, so I'm going to wait till this times out. I'm going to send it again. If we get another timeout, I'm going to delete this and just go back to being patient. But I'm not that patient. Okay, cancel, delete, send, make sure we get a 200. Holy crap. What is going on? No. All right. I'm sending this. I'm not even waiting. Cancel, send. I don't know what's going on here. Don't die on me. doesn't have, let's see, cookies. Could that be the end of the header? Do they have this at the end? It could have connection here. We've got the information we want. It's 32. It's got to be right, right? We don't have an... I hate not knowing. If I start sending 7084, I'm going to start... What if my chaser... Does my chaser have to be a get? My chaser does not have to be a get. So what if I do a chaser as a post and then with a real long body, but not a valid post, right? Something like this post comment, send a repeater. Repeater, I want it to be invalid, so I'll take off cookie and I'll take off CSRF and I'll put website as something long. Question is, will this get past the front end? And I don't know. So it has to get past the front end to be a valid chaser. What if I just... this video is going to be a long one. We haven't even started writing the script yet. But we've got all the pieces we need, except for what did I... Oh, I changed it to 784. Let me send this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I'll send it one more time. 2 more times. 3 more times. I lied. Okay. Make sure that comes back. Whatever. We're going to scroll down. We still don't get semicolons. This has got to be the end of the header. So, and it's a get, so there is no body. So we're calling it at 782. I nailed it on that first one. All right, let's write the script finally. Gosh, dang it. Okay, we want, boom. We want to name this capture other users' requests. Vim capture other users' requests.py. I want to make sure I have another one open. Whoops. Let's go here and open up the template. And let's open up what we did yesterday, right? Reveal front end request. Because we're going to do a lot of the same RT resp get like here. Okay. Our body is going to look like this, though. We don't need any of this. We start here and go to here. So Boom to there. X. Okay. We need a couple of things. We need to change this D to the N to be blog.host. And we need this N to be valid. So this will be session. And we need this to be valid. And this will be CSRF. We want to change the post ID to something else. Post ID. And let's change the name also so that it's easy to find via regex. All right, let's start getting import RE. And then here from utils, import request smuggling. We need the session. So we're going to do resp equals request dot get base URL proxies. I don't like, no, I can just do blog.get response. Why don't I have that? Blog.base URL. Right? So in the site, get response. Yeah, right there. Why aren't I using that for the other one? I don't know. But this should be the resp. And, whoops. From that, we should be able to get the cookie. And, oh, you know what we should do? Instead of blog.base URL, we should get a post. So define a post. This is the one we played around with is post 2. So let's start with post 3. Post ID equals 3. And then we'll get response. Do we have anything specific for let's open up site, and I'm gonna close off reveal front end. I'm gonna close that one for now, and I'm gonna close this one for now. And this is probably actually in blog. Post comment, get post. That's what I want. Get post. Get change word post. And I just need to give it the post ID. Post ID. With that, I'm hoping that the response, so let's do log.debug resp.text. Let's comment everything else out. And what I want is that response to have both the cookie and the CSRF that we can extract. Python capture. Let me write this. Capture. Request. Oh, this is in request smuggling CD. Courses/web security academy request smuggling there. Python capture -d. And then I need this. All right, let's run that. So, I'm not printing the headers. Dang it. Log.d. I don't really, well, I do want the CSRF. So we can keep that. And that's going to be right there. Debug resp.headers, I think. Yeah, set cookie. There we go. Session. Perfect. Okay. So session equals resp.headers.get. Oh no, resp.cookies. Is it? I actually don't know if this is going to work. Or if this will... Huh, no error. Did I do that right? Yep, I definitely did. Okay, so we got the session. Let's see what else we need. So I'm going to uncomment all of this. We need the CSRF. We can do the extract text. Blog.extract text. That's in the... Oh no, it's in freaking utils. Utils.extract text. I don't have... It would be cool if I put this in site as like a private thing, but whatever. We have it in utils. That's what we'll use. Extract text. We need the pattern and the text. The pattern will be CSRF. We'll do single quotes. CSRF. Boom. Value equals boom. And then dot asterisk question mark. Boom. In the that and the single quote. That. And then the text will be response.text. This should extract the CSRF. Token equals. We just named it CSRF. Now we just need a name. I did that random name generator before. I don't remember where I did that, but I liked it. So grep-r random. There we go. XSS alt solution capturing passwords. XSS alt solution capturing passwords. Random string. This is what I want. I'm going to paste that here. Close that guy up. And all right. We need to import string, and import random. And then we'll define the name equals random string of 20. Boom. Okay. We can uncomment that. Send it. Send the chaser. This is the part that we need repeated. Which part? Just this line, because the request won't change. So let's do while. This is silly. While true. Oops. Send that. Resp. If resp. Dot. If the response dot status. What status? Is this status code? Equals 200. Break. And let's add a counter because we know it does it every 3 times, right? So counter equals 0, counter plus equal counter plus equals 1. So first times it send it will be, yeah, and then we're going to do if counter is greater than 3, break. So kind of our fail safe here. Equals. So that it doesn't loop forever. And now we need to get the request. So resp equals, and in blog, do we have a get? Yep, the get post same. Resp equals blog.get post ID. Do we need? Yeah, we do. Post ID, and then we'll log.debug resp.text. We don't need this stuff anymore. All right, let's see how we're doing now. CD, where am I? Request, smuggling. Didn't I already run this? There we go. Comments. I don't see any good comments. And it looks like it only ran it once. Oh, wait. Look at this. Hey, we got it. F and A right there. Totally would have missed that. Get image source admin. There's our random username. That is freaking awesome. That's we got it the first try, which is freaking awesome. Okay, so we need to extract from the response. Do we need? No, we don't care about the random name. That was dumb. So utils.extract text. We're gonna extract all of the cookie line. So our cookie, and then start with victim, I guess. And then what do we want? We want to capture this dot asterisk question mark there until, how do we end this? Until the /p. Hopefully that, does that look long enough? Does not look long enough to me. No, that's only 19 characters. We need to up our count here. Okay. Victim to the /p. The / is the / bad? Regex. I cannot remember. This is going to be called cookies equals print cookies. Let's just try that. And we need to up this. I said it was 19, so we need to add 13, right? That will bring it to 32. Add 13, which would be 97. R9, R7, R7. Okay, let's try that. It's pretty awesome we got it on the first try, though. All right, come on. This hopefully is 32. Content length 32. Boom. And text. Oh, suck. Wait, no, it's rest.text. So we're going to have to send this one more time. If this works, we can then use the cookies to impersonate the user. I wonder if we have to go to like an admin. Oh, hit my account. Okay. Sweet. There we go. And then we'll just split this by... I did this before, didn't I? How did I do it then? We'll split it by spaces. And then we'll check if it ends in... Okay. Let's... So, we want... Let's do this in a function. Def... I will call it format cookies. We'll get some text, and the first thing we're going to do is split by spaces. So, dot split on spaces, and this will be a list. So cookie list equals, and then we want to for cookie in cookie list for, let's call it cookie value. I'm not ready to say cookie yet. If cookie value dot ends with boom, we'll do one thing, and then cookie, let's just change the value, equals cookie value from the 0 to the -1. So we'll just normalize it there. And then we'll split it. Cookie, let's see it. Let's do name value equals cookie value dot split on the equal sign. And then we'll have we want a dictionary, right? So cookies equals a dictionary. And then we'll do cookies name equals value. And we'll return cookies. Boom. That should be it. I don't want to name this cookies. I want to name this text. And then I want to do cookies equals format cookies text. And then I want to get, so resp equals, let's do request dot get of my account. So that would be the URL is, come on, blog dot base URL plus my account. Is it like that? It is my dash account. That's right. And then request dot, I want to blog dot get response. No, I don't, because I want to provide cookies equals cookies request requests cookies equals cookies. Let's do the proxies equals utils dot proxies verify equals false if blog dot no proxy else we're so freaking close. DT there. All right, and then blog dot is solved. But I want to print dot, just in case, log dot debug cookies, because I'm afraid that I didn't do that right. Okay, let's try it out with debug on. See if we got this sucker solved. Should send, 3 requests. There's 1, 2, 3. Cookies look good. Uh-oh. Not solved. What's up with that request? Proxy. Get login. I don't know what that one is. Oh, get my account. Secret session. Oh, look, the session was cut off. Son of a bitch. Why was the session cut off? Secret session. It only got to there and not the rest of it. Why is that? Where? While true. Break. Resp. Long debug. Cookie. This was in the get post ID. So this is all one line. Cookie victim dash asterisk 2. Did it fail the last time too? Oh, it's crap. It's capturing the first time. Damn it. All right. It's not capturing the last one. It's capturing the first one we entered. So I need to just change the post. Let's just change the post to post 4 instead of trying to fix the regex so that it goes after the right username. Kind of a cop-out fix, but whatever. I mean, this is a hour-long video already. Come on. Last one. Let's do it. Come on. No whammy, no whammy. Anyway, I'm hoping this gets it solved, but this was an interesting one. It was cool, like capturing the next request and then using that to submit as a comment. I might have to do a timeout here in requests, which I don't know exactly what to do. Let me close this. And let me go here and just clear everything out. Okay. Now. Oh, did I change? I didn't want to change 97. Did I add? Suck. That's 97. What did I? $97. Okay, so 97 will definitely work. All right. Sorry. Freaked out over nothing. Okay. All right. This time it's going to work. We're going to get this solved. Positive thoughts. There's one request sent. There's 2 requests sent. Come on, one more. You got it. You can do it. There we go. Yes! Boom, shakalaka. Lab is solved. What up now, son? I've got request smuggling in your face. All right. Solved it. Awesome. This is yeah, like I said, it's an interesting one where smuggling this request, which tacks on the last request right here in comments, which makes it get submitted, and we get to see the results, which is the header values of the victim. We extract the cookie from that, or the cookies, and use that to access their account and solve the lab. Very cool. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.